Hi and welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the summary of the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria.
The Northeast Development Commission on Saturday announced plan to bridge gaps in teacher training within the region schools which have been blamed for years of insurgency. Dr. Mohammed Alkali, Managing Director of the Northeast Development Commission, made this known in Maiduguri. An 80-year-old former Nigerian Airways pilot has revealed his critical role in the historic of 1983 military coup that brought General Muhammadu Buhari to power, recounting how he flew the general across the country during the tense days following the takeover. The pilot, whose identity was not disclosed, said days following the December 31st, 1983 coup were filled with uncertainty and secrecy. Now, insecurity. The Islamic State Amaq news agency has released a short, disturbing video clip confirming Boko Haram's brutal Thursday attack on a military base in Gajibo of Borno State on Saturday night. In the footage, 2 military vehicles are seen burning while 6 motorbikes seized by the terrorists. Suspected armed herdsmen have massacred more than 42 people in a midnight raids on village in Taraba State. According to the source, on Sunday morning, the attackers stormed the communities of Monga Lalau and Monga Doso, unleashing terror on sleeping residents. 5 operatives of the security outfit named Community Watch Corps have been killed in deadly ambush by bandits in Maharba village, Matazu local government area of Katsina State. According to the reports, the corps commander born alive. Now, politics. As part of efforts to reposition the People's Democratic Party (PDP) ahead of 2027 general elections, the party elected new North Central Zone executive during its congress held in Jos. Speaking at the event, Senator Abamoro dismissed fear of the party's collapse. Former Secretary to the Federal Government, Babachir David Lowell, said Tinubu will fall even if all 36 governors endorse him. Atiku Obi Amechi in strategic alliance talk to unseat President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027 general elections. Single-time deal now party platform under considerations. Confirming by Atiku via social media, the meeting at Abuja Continental Hotel is part of the National Political Consultative Group initiative sparking speculation of a massive coalitions. Now, sports. The 14th edition of the Nigerian University Staff Sports Association's games was officially flagged off on Saturday at Ahmadu Adamu Muazu Stadium at campus of Bayero University, Kano. The week-long tournament brought together 1,131 athletes, comprising both academic and non-academic staff from 36 Nigerian universities, competing in 15 sporting events, including football, basketball, table tennis, swimming, dart tennis, badminton, chess, and volleyball. Now, from the international scene, North Korean authorities have detained 3 senior shipyards officials following the dramatic failure of a naval destroyer launched that leader Kim Jong-un publicly blamed on criminal negligence. ABC News reports that the incident marked a rare and significant admission of failure from the reclusive states. Exiled Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's party bar from the elections. For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.